Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today we're gonna check out the Fame chorus. Let's go! The Fame chorus is a very affordable true bypass chorus pedal. The pedal has a nice and sleek design and comes in this very cool looking box. It's extremely straightforward and has all the essential controls of a chorus effect. The level knob controls the volume of the effect, the rate knob controls the tempo, and the depth knob controls the intensity. Now let's listen to how exactly these controls interact with our sound. Now, if you have any more questions on the Fame chorus, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!